Going on guys, I'm taking serious today. I'm back with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you get the Vogue challenge on TikTok. I'm gonna show you step by step. Stick around the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna go to App Store and you're gonna search up PixArt. It's free for Android and iOS, and you're gonna download it directly. And after you download it, you're just gonna click open and just gonna wait a little bit, and it's gonna take you to this page. If you want to sign in or create an account, just skip that if you don't want to. And if you want to pay for this app, you can do that. I'm not gonna pay. Just click X right here and you can use the free version. And now you're gonna click the plus button in the middle, and it's gonna give you option which picture you want to use from your gallery. I'm just gonna click this one, and now you're gonna click tools right here and you're gonna crop it, and you're gonna click the story right here, and this the same size for your TikTok too, and click apply. And now you're gonna click stickers and you're gonna search up Vogue right here, and right here there's a lot of options you can see. I'm just gonna use this one. And you're gonna make it bigger if you want to. If you don't want to make it bigger, just you can make it smaller. I think that's perfect. Or if I want to change this, like the Vogue sign, the logo, just click X right here and click stickers one more time, and it's gonna come up like this. I'm gonna use this one right here in the middle and make it bigger one more time. Okay, I'm done. Now all I'm gonna click is click apply, click next, and you're gonna click photos right here. It's gonna save it to your gallery, and click done. X, done. Now you're gonna open your TikTok and you're gonna search up Vogue. After you search up, you're gonna click one of the videos, you're gonna click the sound, and you're gonna use the sound, and you're gonna add the picture to the one you edit, and you're gonna record. I think that's enough. And now just next, and you can like hashtag like FYP for you page, and click post right now.
Thank you.
And this pretty much how you do it, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section, and if this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.